Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about fix modern world warfare multiplayer not working on Windows PC. I recommend that you need to go on ahead and restart your computer. Next, go on search menu. No, CMD. Right click. Run as administrator. Yes. Type here ipconfig space slash flush fl ush dns. Enter. Windows IP configure successfully flushed the DNS result cache. Now go ahead and type nets space winsock sock space reset reset. Type and press enter. Successfully restart the Windows log. You must restart the computer in order to complete the restart. Go ahead and restart this computer PC.